Hello all, today's video is based on drawing Batman as a cartoon. This makes it super easy to draw and to replicate, so hopefully you follow along just fine, and good luck. Here I am just drawing a simple sketch. Make sure you're happy with all the proportions you've done, and if you are, then continue. As always, I'm going to fast forward all the plain, boring parts, so you don't have to just sit there and watch it. Almost there, just keep going.
Batman.
I'm Batman.
Now I'm adding all the other features such as his clothing. As you can see, my gloves are sticking out of his armors a little bit. This just makes it look a little more realistic rather than making it super 2D. Now I'm gently going over with a Fineliner. Be careful because you cannot erase this and there's no going back. And if you do want a clean result like mine, just take your time, okay? There's really no rush. And now that we erase all the pencil markings, here we go, the final result. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like and subscribe.